diverse, reliable, and managed connectivity to the global internet. Now contact PLDT Subictel Sales Group at 2522-375 or email sales@subictel.ph. Yan. Official live streaming partner of ours, PLDT Subictel DSL.
Hello sa mga taga PLDT. And of course, hello sa mga taga Subic Bay Metropolitan Authority.
SBMA.
SBMA. Alam kong busy ang mga tao ngayon sa SBMA.
Our brothers and sisters
Yes.
sa trabaho dito
And
sa SBMA.
ang ating mga kapatid sa Media Production Department and the PRD, the Public Relations, nasa yata sila ngayon, nasa Pastolan. Ingat-ingat lang.
Community service?
Yes.
/ coverage? for the
Community,
MPD,
malapit na kasi ang school, what do you call that? Ang pasukan. So, they're there right now.
I love pasukan. School opening.
School opening talaga lang, ha? Wala, matagal na yon. Anyway, okay. Good morning also to everyone in the stream.
All right. We have people in the stream. Our friends at Magaol Bird Park suggest camp.
Oh my God! Do you know that we have a piece of news about that? Nasa
Yeah.
Oh.
And also, just about a couple of weeks ago, 2 weeks ago, Miss, I forgot her name.
Forgot her name.
One of the sort of like the marketing person for Magaol Bird Park was here and sort of like invited everybody to visit the Magaol Bird Park. Actually, I have the recording of that interview and I posted it in their official Facebook page. Merong official Facebook page ang Magaol Bird Park. Find out more about Magaol Bird Park. Just look for it on Facebook.
Yes, and do you know that it's just so timely that we have a bird park here because Subic is actually one of the best bird watching sites in Luzon.
Exactly. For
yes,
those who love
more
bird watching.
forest birds yon. Bird watching.
Yeah, migratory birds, they pass by here.
Yes.
And,
pero more on the forest birds.
Forest birds.
Yes, and there are a lot of groups, bird watching groups that who come over para magawa yung activity na yon.
Okay. And pinapag-greet din nila, speaking of Magaol Bird Park, pinapag-greet din nila yung employees doon sa Bird Park. Aside from that, yung mga taga Subic Bay Peninsular Hotel. Alright? And asking for the song Take Me to Rio. It's not a Friday Rewind song.
Really?
Yeah. Take Me to Rio.
Okay.
From the movie Rio.
Oh yeah, oo nga. Sorry, maybe we could probably play another song that has a Rio word.
Yeah.
Yung New York, Rio, Tokyo. Gusto niyo ba?
Talagang pagdating sa pagdating sa tawag dito pati sa pagre-request ng song, they're still into birds, di ba?
Oh yeah,
Theme song from
Have
Rio.
you seen Rio? I saw Rio. It was Rio.
Yeah. I saw that movie. Kung gusto niyo ng
animation.
Friday Rewind na bird related, meron yung parokya ni Edgar, it's from the 90s, yung Don't Touch My Birdie.
Okay.
Related.
Oo, related nga naman. Oo. Kasi meron siyang alagang bird.
Yes,
okay. And also, hello kay Yats24. Hello there.
Naalala ko tuloy yung bird nung kapitbahay namin.
Bakit? Anong
nagsasalita.
ginawa ng bird?
Pero hindi siya loro. No? Hindi lang naman loro ang bird that talks. No? Hindi lang parrot.
Mayna.
May iba pa. Hindi siya, Mayna ba ang tawag?
Mayna bird,
Pag dumadaan ka, he always says, pangit!
Oo. Bakit na? Pagsabihan ka na ba?
Tinuruan siguro nung hindi, pag ako, different case sa kanya.
Ganun ba?
Pogi!
Okay.
Sa akin lang yun, exclusive.
Sa'yo lang.
Pero the rest of the guys in our neighborhood, pangit!
Oh my God. Ang galing. Okay, so are we going to do the, what?
The triple, no, we just start later.
Oo nga yung holidays and observances.
Already did.
You already did? Oh my God.
Of course, it's our opening segment.
Talaga naman, no? Oo nga naman. Anyway, kasi we missed doing the news. Pero there's this
we can do
particular news about this sort of like lack of power in the Philippines right now.
Yeah. We can talk about it now. And
it's actually a big problem. Red alert nga daw ang Luzon and
really?
Mindanao. Yeah.
Sa power shortage?
Because of power shortage.
Wow.
Yes, Because alam mo it's apart from being summer at sinabi nga we hit nearly 40 degrees Celsius. Nahihirapan because most of our power sources come from like hydroelectric power kasi. So syempre natutuyo yung mga water sources.
Whenever it's summer, yung hydroelectric power suppliers not that efficient.
Yes.
Because it's summer.
And it is it is a challenge especially for businessmen and investors kasi sila ang mas, alam mo yon, mas kailangan nila actually. Well, everybody needs power, but yung mga investors and businessmen, this is sort of like a challenge to them.
Not to mention the delays in building new plants.
Yes,
It slows the expansion of Asia's, second fastest growing economy.
It's a big problem right now.
We are now.
And I think in Manila they have this rotating blackouts na yata. Kaya
That's the silver lining in this news. We are the second fastest growing economy in Asia.
Oh yeah,
The
Yun ang alam mo, we are the second fastest growing, but we have this, parang a problem of, supplying yung mga utilities that investors need, like power. Tsaka mahal dito. We had this like a market study about yung mga cost of doing business among Asian countries. Southeast Asian countries, at tayo ang pinakamahal.
Yeah.
Do you believe that?
Right. We are the second fastest growing.
We are the second fastest growing.
So who's first?
China.
No wonder they hate us. Diba in all competitions, the first placer always hates so much the second one. You know why?
In Asia.
Something goes wrong for him, something technical, sort of a technicality. The second placer will take over his place. No wonder they hate us.
And considering that China is like 100 times bigger, 100 times
But, yeah,
it's many times bigger than the Philippines. Syempre, kumbaga parang, alam mo, we are the second and they're the first. And we're just a tiny archipelagic country.
Yeah, no wonder they're doing all this, crazy stuff to us. That they hate us so much. Don't worry, guys. We also hate you.
Well, congratulations kay Presidente.
Yeah. We proved the point in the last Southeast Asian economic forum, diba?
Actually, the World Economic Forum is it's ongoing. It's happening right now.
We're not being sip-sip to the president. He's really doing a good thing. Tama naman yung ginagawa niya.
Naman.
Diba
I'm just saying.
I know he has a lot of critics. Lahat naman ng presidente may critic yan, may mga magsasabi ng hindi maganda. But come to think of it, the president, all in all, he's doing good.
Yes.
Diba? He's fighting corruption. He's going after. Hindi lang yung currently corruption na nangyari. Even the corruption in the past, he's making kalkal.
Yes,
Of course, he has to bring these people to justice.
Of course, that's one of the that's one of the sort of like responsibilities of
ganun naman talaga dapat.
Of a leader.
If you committed a crime, hindi porket ibang administrasyon na yun.
Oo nga
makakalusot na. Hindi dapat ganun. Hindi tama yun.
Syempre,
justice for the people.
Of course, and the president does not want them to escape from justice.
Justice for the people.
They can't get away with that.
Justice for my pocket and for my wallet.
You know why
the one De La Cruz like us.
You know why I said sip-sip? You know why I said sip-sip?
Is he listening?
I don't know.
So it's not sip-sip. He's not listening naman.
You know why? Because humihingi tayo ng increase.
On that part, he's
do you know that SBMA is actually the lowest paid government employee?
Really?
SBMA.
Hindi ko gaano mapansin kasi libo-libo ang pera ko
It's like well anyway, okay. Ganun ba, libo-libo? Hindi ba magkasya?
Laging kalahating libo.
My God. Contrary to a lot of people, contrary to what a lot of people are thinking.
Excuse me.
SBMA employees, do not have a very big salary. Yeah.
Therefore, hence, SBMA employees are among the most patient.
Yes.
The most what are the other good term for
the most patient and the most frugal.
Patient, frugal, and
Yes.
Because we were able to stand the test.
And because we are just following the code, what you call that, the civil service, the code for government employees to live simple lives.
Yeah. So sa mga kapatid nating SBMA na nagsusurvive, making the most of the least that we have, saludo kami sa inyo.
Yes. Saludo ako sa iyo.
Saludo tayo sa isa't isa. Dahil di ba, napapagkasya kung ano meron and
nga.
Kudos to you guys.
Okay, so
I love you all.
Love you.
Mga kapatid natin sa
Power
SBMA.
generation, pag-uusapan natin napunta sa sweldo. Anyway, okay, so So, when we come back, we're gonna do the Triple W News.
Triple W News.
Yes, and the topic of the day.
Since naghihintay, natanong na rin lang nila Magaul Bird Park. Malapit na, susunod na po yung topic of the day. Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna play, this is sort of like a Beatles song na matagal ko hindi naririnig. There's an intro explaining how they did this, okay?
Oh yeah, by the way, before you play that song, a while ago we played Sam Milby's My Girl, his version of the song. The reason why I played that, kasi birthday ngayon ni Sam Milby.
Ganun ba?
Isa siya sa mga birthday celebrants today. Happy birthday, paring Sam.
Napaka-showbiz naman.
And speaking of pare ko rin si DJ Cyberbugs. Birthday kahapon.
Happy birthday, Cyberbugs. Okay, so when we come back, we're gonna do the Triple W News and the topic of the day. In the meantime, we are giving you the Beatles. Hey Jude, and I think they're gonna explain something in the intro. Okay.
We're your Beatles station.
It's been a hard day's night. Here comes the sun. Baby, you can drive my car.
89.5 Bay Radio.